So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this recipe and try my peri peri sauce. I'm telling you. Use it to season your chicken. Your chicken will taste out of this world. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to do an African sauce called peri peri. I love peri peri sauce, but I'm gonna add, the Jamaican twist to it. Okay, so in this container, there are 4 red bell peppers. Yes, and the bell peppers must be red. 1 onion and a couple scotch bonnet pepper, red scotch bonnet pepper. I added the red scotch bonnet pepper to give the Jamaican kick to it. However, the bird eye pepper is the key ingredient used in the peri peri sauce, and I'm gonna put some as well. I also gonna add garlic and some other ingredients that I will mention as I go along. So first, I am gonna remove the seeds from the sweet pepper and throw everything in the food processor. So let's come along. Yes, so I already went ahead and removed the seeds from the sweet peppers. Just gonna give it a cut. So now I hope you can see what's going on with the small space that I have to work with. Anyway, this is the food processor, and I'm gonna add the sweet peppers to the food processor. The red scotch bonnet peppers. And this is to give it the Jamaican flavor, in my opinion. 1 small onion. So I am gonna add Jamaican bird peppers. We call them bird peppers in Jamaica. So they are really, really fiery. So I am gonna add just a few, because I'm telling you, man, they are really fiery. I am gonna also add 5 cloves of garlic, about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or you can use the oil of your choice. And I am gonna add some salt to taste, not a lot, but no salt. Black pepper, about 2 teaspoons. Paprika, about 4 teaspoons of paprika. The juice of 1 lime. I'm also gonna add about 2 tablespoons of red vinegar, and in my opinion this is to preserve it. So now I'm gonna like finely chop everything in the food processor. Now have a look at it. Yep. Yep, it is of the consistency that I want. Chunky and saucy at the same time.
We're famous for a lot of things, you know. Not just sports and music, but jelly, sugarcane and them something there. All who represent for the outer one, many people. The 876, wanna jump.
So what I'm gonna do now, I am gonna pour some of this sauce on my chicken because I'm gonna do a peri peri chicken. Now if you want to preserve this preserve it, all you need to do is you need to pour the sauce I should say, into a pot and let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Then you let it cool and then you pour it into an airtight jar. But I'm not gonna preserve this. I'm gonna use some to season the chicken. Then I'm gonna pour some into a container. I'm gonna put the chicken on the grill, and then I'm gonna use the rest to baste the chicken. So basically, I don't have to put mine to simmer on the stove because I'm not gonna preserve it. And when I'm preserving it too, I like it to be more like finely chopped than this saucy. It's a little bit too runny if I want to preserve it. So if you want to preserve it and you want it to be less saucy, you can always use less oil and less vinegar. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this recipe and try my peri peri sauce. I'm telling you, use it to season your chicken. Your chicken will taste out of this world. So remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will know when I uploaded a new video. Also, you can share my videos on social media site, but do not download my videos and then re-upload them. Thanks for watching again. Walk until next time.